Welcome. This video will cover AWS billing tools. AWS Billing and Cost Management is a service that you use to pay your AWS bill, monitor your usage, and budget your expenses. Billing and Cost Management enables you to forecast and obtain a better idea of what your costs and usage might be in the future so that you can plan ahead. You can set a custom time period and determine whether you would like to view your data at a monthly or daily level of granularity. With the filtering and grouping functionality, you can further analyze your data using a variety of available dimensions. The AWS Cost and Usage Report tool enables you to identify opportunities for optimization by understanding your cost and usage data trends and how you are using your AWS implementation. The AWS Billing Dashboard lets you view the status of your month-to-date AWS expenses and identify the services that account for the majority of your overall monthly bill. You can also understand at a high level how costs are trending. One of the graphs that is located on the dashboard is the spend summary. The spend summary shows you how much you spent last month, the estimated costs of your AWS usage for the month to date, and a forecast for how much you are likely to spend this month. Another graph is month-to-date spend by service, which shows the top services that you use most and the proportion of costs that are attributed to that service. From the billing dashboard, you can access several other cost management tools that you can use to estimate and plan your AWS expenses. These tools include AWS Budgets, AWS Cost and Usage Reports, and AWS Cost Explorer. There is also the AWS Bills page. The AWS Bills page lists the costs that you incurred over the past month for each AWS service, with a further breakdown by AWS region and linked account. This tool gives you access to the most up-to-date information on your costs and usage, including your monthly bill and the detailed breakdown of your AWS services that you use. The AWS Billing and Cost Management console includes the Cost Explorer page for viewing your AWS cost data at a graph. With Cost Explorer, you can visualize, understand, and manage your AWS costs and usage over time. The Cost Explorer includes a default report that visualizes your costs and usage for your AWS services. The monthly running costs report gives you an overall view of all your costs for the past 3 months. It also provides forecasted numbers for the coming month with a corresponding confidence interval. You can also use AWS Budgets to create notifications for when you go over your budget for the month. Budgets can be tracked at the monthly, quarterly, or yearly level, and you can customize the start and end dates. Budget alerts can be sent via email or via Amazon Simple Notification Service, Amazon SNS. The AWS Cost and Usage Report is a single location for accessing comprehensive information about your AWS costs and usage. This tool lists the usage for each service category that is used by an account and its users in hourly or daily line items, and any tax that you activated for tax allocation purposes. You can have AWS publish billing reports to an S3 bucket. These reports can be updated once a day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.